What's happening, guys? I hope you're well. Today I will show you how to install a performance air filter. I've currently went to Halfords and bought one. You can go into Halfords and ask for a universal cone air filter and they should have it. So the air filter I have, Halfords do claim it's universal. So if it's not universal, it's not on me, it's on Halfords. I'm going to show you how to install it and we'll do a sound test as well. So guys, the first thing you want to do is remove this original air filter. So there's 5 bolts in here. We've got one here, got one here as well, this side, here, and here. So the best one to use is T20. So you get the T20 out, and then put in your screwdriver, and just remove the bolts. Once you remove the bolt, I've got a clamp right here. I need to get a 7mm socket, which I've got prepared already. We are going to loosen it, not fully, so we can just pop this off. So once you've loosened this, you just force, you'll need force, and then pull out like so. And then you can just remove the original piece. So we've got the plastic. I would advise you to keep this because you don't want to throw it away because you want to pass your MOT. I'm not sure if the cone filter will pass the MOT, but you want to keep this. So when it comes to MOT, you can just install this back on. Now we're going to take the original air filter out. So this is the original air filter. So guys, with the cone air filter, it'll come with these adapters. For my car, I only fitted one adapter. So now we just plug this in, like so. Make sure it's nice and tight. So guys, we've encountered a problem. So the bonnet is unable to close properly. Can't close it. Therefore, we are forced to remove this bottom compartment. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. You need a T30. So T30 to remove the bolt for the bottom area. So there's a bolt right here. You want to take that out, like so. And there we go. The bolt is out. So that's it, ready to come out, guys. There we go. Remove this. It's good to go, guys. That's us done. The engine's quite dirty actually, I need to get it clean. So guys, I noticed it wasn't secured properly with the adapter, so I took all the adapters out and connected it directly to this hose with one clamp. And now it's secured, but it still has a free place. So I do love my cable ties, so I'm going to cable tie it here. So guys, I have finally cable tied it through this hole, and now it's actually nice and secure and not touching anything, so it is safe. Now it's all good. So I hope you like this video.